Hello everyone. There's a new video about my resume agent and there are some updates. I hope you will like what you will hear. Normally I read a script, but today it will be a bit random video. I hope I will express everything I would like to express to you. First of all, let me start for this. And as a classical, thank you very much for your interest and thank you very much all of you. Summarize the story. What happened till now? The prototype video published, the version 5 for Resume Agent, and many of my friends of close network is also interested and they used it. And it helped me to enhance my prompts and some features to add my agent. In the meanwhile, I published a kind of a survey. Right now, in the screen, I'm seeing the results. What I saw that today, 19th of July, it was more or less the same, the percentages. JSON files and of agents, 75% of the audience is interested. Ready to use agent products, it is like 70% of the audience. And 50% of the audience are interested in depth training. And as you see, the percentages which I share is more than 100 because there is some overlappings. Then I wanted to make kind of a Venn schema. What are you requesting from me? You see, only JSON file interested people are 33. Only training interested people are 15, and ready to use product interested people are 36. And 117 people are interested what I'm sharing, which is nice. That, like, thank you very much for such interest, really. You made my day, guys. And 13 people are interested with trainings and the JSON files. 15 people only trainings. And as you see, most of the individual only people, 36 people, are interested with the ready-to-use products. Then you can tell that, like, this is very small numbers. Yes, only around 300 people are submitted their answers or their shares or their thoughts about what they want from me. When I see that most of you, as a percentage, is interested with the JSON of the AI agents, a few of my friends tried to use my JSON files in their computers. But the issue is that while I was developing, I was over-engineered because, like, normally in the daytime I'm mechanical design engineer. I think I'm thinking and like dividing everything into the very small portions to control all the system. It is more like Six Sigma approach, which ends up with very quality outputs. And it helped me also while building this agent also at least to understand that, like, which prompt has the which output. But at the end, if I will share directly with the JSON file with someone, then I understood that, like, they are not able to build all the connection, all the database and everything. They failed. That people are taking my products and they are not able to use, even though it has very accurate results. Then we started to investigate with my friends. My friend Burak, he advised me to build a product instead of sharing a JSON file. Then also what I see today, well, before this video, I want to make check the statistics again. What I see that I think ready to use products for my audience, for you guys, it is the best option instead of the JSON files. Then we decided to build a product. My first idea was to build kind of a Telegram agent. That the Telegram agent will talk with you. Let me open one of the versions. The Telegram agent will talk with you, ask about that, like, which company you are applying. Here, I didn't put the resume agent itself. I was more focusing on that, like, how a Telegram agent consultant for you, a user, that you will talk it like, this is my resume, I'm applying in this company, this position, the job description is here, advise me that how to tailor it. But this system, even though I connected with a Supabase database, was not accurate. For example, I was trying personally, writing company, I'm giving the job title, but at the end, in the next question, it's supposed to ask that what is the job description, but it was asking which company are you applying for, and it really pissed off me. A few weeks ago, I made a meeting with some professionals. There, we were talking about this product also, and they asked me that like, what are you waiting to publish? Then I told them that like it is not 100% like even accurate. Then they told me like with the AI you cannot make 100% accuracy. You can never reach. No one is reached till now. That is the reason you're just expecting something unrealistic. Then this feedback changed my entire direction differently. The user needs to submit everything in one time. Then I built another tool. This tool is, let me find it here. Let's continue. Here I build another tool that the user will submit its form and Resume Agent will process. And as you see that here I have only 3 OpenAI nodes. Earlier it was 13, hundreds times that it is tried. I thought that like my prompts are advanced enough to predict. Then I merged everything to reduce the cost because I wanted to give every audience to try for free. Then I needed to build something more faster and less cost. And to gain from the cost and to gain from the time, I needed to merge some of the steps. Then I divided everything in 3. One strict AI node, which is keywords detector. The other one is resume tuner. The third one was cover letter generator. Normally I was generating cover in 4 to 5 steps, but right now it's only 1 step. What has changed? And basically you are submitting your form. The form fills the sheet. Then after it, it is checking what is if the user allowed to use, etc., etc. Then it was going in. And a few of my friends and some beta users already tried this system. Here, one thing occurred that it is not be able to use by several people since it is based on Google. I developed a new version, and today I'm calling it NaranzAI Resume Agent, and it is connected with the database. And let me show you how it works. Now you can reach this link under my video in the links, and the people who are already in the wait list, they already get the information, detailed information, but here they can see that like how it is used. Basically you need to fill each of those details. You need to submit the details like email, first name, last name. Let's do it. Guys, if you wanna have very accurate results, please be sure that you are filling the details correctly. And what do you have? You need to submit here. After it, you will submit the form. When you do it, you will receive an email. That email will share you a link. Basically, in the first form, you are creating your user profile. By the way, you can resubmit your responses and you can change the details of your profile. Maybe in the future, you will prefer to have better resume summary or some other details, etc. It is better to it, like you can resubmit. Here, every time you need to find this link, which will be after you create your user profile, you will get an automatic message about that, how to do it. And also there is one update profile form. You don't need to fill this your personal details every time. It will be stored. But every time you need to come here, which company, and by the way, your emails need to match everywhere. My system is based on your email. If you are using different email, then it will not create the accurate results. you need to write always your email, the company you are applying, the job title, and full the description. Then you will submit. In a few minutes, the system responds and it gives you such advices. NaranzAI. By the way, guys, make some comments if you like the name which I found, NaranzAI, and if you are interested, that I can tell you where it comes, how I created this name, the story. If you are interested, I can share with you. I would like to hear your ideas and thoughts also. After you submit all the details, the system gives you some ATS friendly snapshot from the job you are applying. The hard skills, the soft skills, key qualifications, and other critical keywords are listed there to create a tailored resume. It is for you such an advice. And after it, it gives you an advice that, like, if you write your professional summary in this way, and if you list those hard skills which you already have in your resume and some soft skills, and if nothing is aligning, it is generating as not applicable NA. Do not confuse that why there are so NAs in your advice thing. You can write your own skills, already existing skills. Maybe, for example, personally, when I'm applying for a job, I don't prefer to write soft skills, but apparently some people prefer. In my first versions, I didn't have such specification, but after it, I added it. Then, for your last 3 experiences, it is bringing your key responsibilities and key achievements which are aligning with the job you are going to apply, and it is giving you a draft cover letter. This draft cover letter is just give you some insights at the end. What I recommend, do not use this only AI or output when you are applying for a specific job. Use this to give you some insights, and use this and still create your personal one. For example, I'm sure you already have a generic cover letter. You can get some details from this advice from the NaranzAI Resume Agent output, and you can update those details and use your own cover letter. I think for job applications, yes, it is important to be ATS friendly to pass some levels, but also it is important that you are representing your professional summary in this resume. The more important that you are really sharing your personal data. What I do recommend, from my experience, I can tell till now I worked in many companies, I had many opportunities to make some interviews. It is better that you are putting who you are in the resume, then maybe you will not be hired, but you know that when you are hired that they really hired you. This is important for the interviews also. I see that I'm hearing some black hat tactics, etc. By the way, this tool is not for this. It will just help you to have an ATS friendly resume. And to reach this, you can go below the video, use that form. When this video published, you will have 3 times free trial. Then after it, if you would like to try more, the system will recommend you that how you can use more times. And for the people who are already in the wait list, they have 7 trial rights. Already they were waiting. I want to thank them by giving them more chance. And they have a discount coupons dedicated to them. They already received all the details. If you were in the wait list and you didn't receive, please check your spam box. And also for resume details, when you are not able to, personally, even myself, I was finding those mails in my spam box. That is the reason I do recommend you to check your spam boxes if you didn't receive any feedback, update, etc, etc. By the way, those discount counts will be active 1 day more. Then after it will be cancelled. Thank you very much till now, guys. In the upcoming videos, I will start to build another tool. I am more excited about it. I hope you will like the idea. And there, since that project is a bit kind of important for me, I would like to give you all updates weekly, that like, or every 2 weeks, that like this week I built this, I added this, I excluded this, etc. And I hope these detailed explanations in upcoming videos will help the audience who are looking for some trainings also. But right now, as you see the audience or the people who are interested, because I see your in comments that why you are not starting this call community, share with this, like teach us, etc. But guys, right now, it will take so much time from me. Manage a community to give updates and share all the details. Right now, I don't have so much time. Maybe future, but right now it is so early phase for me. I don't have such time. And see you. Stay tuned, but I will try to share every detail as much as possible in my upcoming videos to show you. Also, if you are interested about my Telegram agents or like how the details, how I connect Supabase or etc., I can show those details also. But I already made a trial in my previous video when I'm comparing with these two different LLMs. What I see that many people are not interested to see that much technical details. There I was explaining. I think this short version of the videos, just giving some informations, etc., is more helpful for everyone. Thank you very much for listening till now. See you guys. Take care. Stay tuned.